Hello, how are you? So, I've been a lot of with a lot of work these days, so I couldn't make any tutorials with producing tracks, mastering, mixing, and working on my new album. My daughter is born as well, so yeah, these days have been a lot of busy. But I'm here now for another tutorial, and this time I want to show you how you can create killer sounds with just a little drum sample. So let's go for it. So let's insert a MIDI track and let's create a MIDI clip. Put a note, root note C3, legato, and insert our sampler, which is actually one of my favorite instruments. So in here you can drop any sample. In this case I'm gonna drop a drum sample, and I could choose any of those, but well, for you to understand that it can be done with any sound, I will go for the first one I find here, bell foley, and let's hear it. It's just a bell. And well, what you can do to have it on a loop is to check this arrow, put it in there. This is the sample length. Okay, so you can put it in there, and the sustain mode you can use a loop mode. Okay, so now it's looping all the way up. This will be already a nice sound, okay, but we want something different, so we can make a loop of that, and this is our note. Okay, let's try to find the not so clicky end, so we can search for a 0 point, this one. Okay, so now it's good. Okay, the one of the best possibilities that we have in sampler is to modulate, to have frequency modulation of the sample. Basically you can apply this OSC, that is a sine wave, or it can be a sawtooth wave, square, triangle, noise, into your sample. So let's go for the sine, and you can, this is the amount, okay, the volume of frequency modulation, so you can have a taste of it. Noise. Okay, so you can use this frequency modulation in chorus type. It means like it will be in 1 octave, 2 octaves, and therefore, so it's kind of quantized harmonically. But it really doesn't matter, because we don't want something in pitch. We want just to mangle and experiment new stuff, so we can put that in fixed mode, so you can decide what is the frequency that you want to modulate, to use as a modulation. So 10 hertz will be like that. Actually you can put 1 hertz by putting 0.1 in the multiplier, so you can have kind of a vibrato. I can put 1. And there are some particular frequencies that you have this kind of wobble sound is very nice. Just magic. And then you have a lot of stuff to do in here. You can have 3 LFOs to modulate pitch, frequency, filter frequency, panorama. You have other LFOs to control other parameters. For example, I can't control the volume of the oscillators, so this one, which is nice. We can go there. So here. Interesting. And you can modulate pitch, not modulate, have a pitch envelope, make risers and stuff. Insane. You can have a oscillator envelope for example, panorama. Let's go from the left to the right. Nice. And you can have a filter, band pass, for example. And we can automate, modulate this filter frequency. And you can now use some effects, delay. Let's go for a reverb. Very nice. Can mangle now with pitch. Amazing. So this just with this little bell foley, you can imagine then that you can use any other sample. I don't know, wood, can be whatever. Let's see. Can change the frequency. There is no effects in there, like I mean flanger or any weird effect, just sampling and some space effects. So this is just powerful. Can automate this as well. Can do that in let's automate the filter in this one, and in this one let's automate the loop length. So it's getting from here to there. Very nice. Can make risers out of it, like, let's skip this out. So this is very interesting. So yeah, short thing. I hope you like it. I hope you give some time experimenting this sampler, because it's a massive tool. And yeah, thank you very much for watching.